All right, so show, how do you do that again?
Okay, so the car's locked right now. So to unlock it, you'll just, I'm sorry, it's unlocked. To lock it, you go like this. It's locked.
That's it.
And then to unlock it, you just put your hand in, unlock.
And it does it.
That's it.
That's the Impreza.
As long as you have the key on your person, yeah, that's keyless entry. Yeah, normally I just put in the passenger. Okay.
All right, we got to put that in the glove
You
compartment.
can get my pad out.
Put that in the glove compartment.
Is it not open?
You got to unlock it.
Sorry, it only unlocks your driver door.
Oh, unlock at the top, right?
Okay, so I'm going to film it so we can remember how to do it.
Oh my God.
So put that in the, yeah, put that over there. You can take that thing off there, honey. You don't need that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at you. Okay, what's next? Oh, we got to pull that off too. Look at all that stuff on there.
Okay, and just to start, we'll start the car first. So you just put your foot on the brake and press the...
And you got a little button you press, right?
Yeah,
Where's the
so
button?
yeah.
Okay.
Bam, it started.
Don't film me.
Okay, so now what?
All right. So I know he said you guys didn't have the all of the safety features prior, so I'm just gonna... So right up here, you have these two safety features. This is your lane sway and lane prevention.
Okay.
Okay, so what that does is if you're driving and you start going out of your lane, it's going to pull you back into the lane.
Okay.
If you ever wanted to turn it off, I'll turn it back on, but you just press and hold. And you see right up on your center display where it's on orange.
Yep.
Anything that shows up in orange, that's how you know it's off.
Okay,
so
gotcha.
I'm going to turn it back on.
Okay.
Okay, right here, that's your pre-collision braking. So if someone stops in front of you and you don't hit the brake quick enough,
Okay.
it's going to brake for you.
So this is still showing yellow or orange.
Well, right now that red is just your doors open.
Okay, but what about that thing there?
So if
She already said that.
So if I turn off your pre-collision braking, for instance,
Uh-huh.
you see right there in orange,
Okay.
that means it's off.
Okay.
So then when I turn it back on, that orange is going to disappear.
Okay.
Okay?
Did it disappear?
Yep, it's not there anymore.
Oh, it was down here.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Okay. All right, what else?
Right here you have your SOS and your I button. Your SOS will be for emergencies only. If you get in a car accident, you can hit this button. Someone will come on the speaker and they will send you ambulance, cops, anything like that.
Cool.
The I button is your concierge. So if you get a flat tire, if you run out of gas, if something happens with the engine, you can hit that button. They'll send out a tow truck or whatever is needed.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay. This is going to be your sunroof. You have two options to slide it all the way back.
Okay.
And
Wow.
then when you pull it forward, this won't come forward with it.
Gotcha.
You'll just have to do that. You also have the option to tilt your sunroof. So it'll just tilt up, not fully open.
Okay.
And then to close it, you just press
So
down.
how do you do the tilt?
Right here it says tilt. To tilt it up, you just press this and it tilts it up. And then to close it, just tilt it back down.
And then we have to pull the this to close
Yeah. It'll go back with it, but it doesn't come forward.
it. Okay, cool.
So to open it without it, I have to do it.
Yeah.
To get it open first way.
Oh,
I
no,
have
no,
to
you can
So
pull
I
it
could
back.
do it manually.
Yeah,
Okay,
of
cool.
course, of
Okay, that's
course.
what I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
It just comes back with it.
Okay,
but,
gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay,
if you
cool.
wanted to just pull it
Gotcha.
back.
Okay, cool.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
we
cool.
won't use that till December again.
All right, so now what?
Okay, you do have an auto dimming mirror, so this green light, as long as that's on, if someone's behind you and their brakes are on, your mirror automatically dims for you.
Wow, that's cool.
If you do have a garage and you don't want to use the garage door opener, this is your home link, and you
Okay.
can pair your garage.
Right.
You just have to go in front of it, hit them at the same time.
Okay.
So that.
You have to do that.
Yeah,
Do you want your door light on? Like when you open the door, all your lights come on?
I'd like at least the light on. I've never had door lights, I guess.
Well, no. So like when you open, like right now, if I open the door, these don't come on. But if I
okay.
open the door, so do
Yes,
you want to
I
keep
like
them
on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
So because your door's open.
So the
Okay.
lights are on when the car.
Yes.
Okay.
Moving on to your steering wheel, you do have adaptive cruise control now. In order to turn that on, you press that button. You see how a little card showed up with a
yeah,
line? So that's these two buttons control those lines. And
Okay.
what those lines do is it's how far you want to be behind the car in
Oh,
front of you.
wow, okay.
And then if the car in front of you starts slowing down, your car will start to slow down
Okay.
to maintain that distance.
Okay, okay. So do you have to do that? It won't You have to do that every time. Take a.
Yeah, how far you want. 'Cause
Okay.
just depending on. But this is only in cruise control.
Sure.
And then to set your speed, you get to your certain speed and just press down on that. So set down there. And then what this does is it's your lane centering button.
Right.
So it's just what this does, but
Okay.
when you go into cruise control for some reason it turns off. So if you want that feature, you just hit that and it'll show right there that that's on.
So that means you're in.
That'll keep you in your lane.
Okay. But if I want to go in my lane, I mean, if I want to switch lanes,
As long as you put your blinker on, it won't turn.
I won't do anything.
Yeah,
as
but
long
if-
as I put blinker on.
If your blinker's not on and you're going into another lane, it's going to assume that you're not meaning to
Got
go
it.
into that
So
lane.
it has
Oh,
to
so
be-
you've got to use the blinker.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to
Right.
prevent you from going. You're just going to get beeps saying
gotcha.
that you're moving
Okay.
from the lane. So I'm
Okay.
going to turn that off and
Okay.
you see how
Okay.
that all disappears now.
So this going back again for this and this. So this is
That's how far you want to be behind the car in
Is
front
that
of you. So
car
you can be
length?
yeah, so you can
Each
be
one?
up to 4 car lengths.
So each one of those bars is a car length.
Yes, those bars.
Okay, cool.
okay.
Right here is your S and your I button. Your car will automatically default to I, which is intelligent mode. That's just normal everyday driving. S is sport mode. So if you want quicker acceleration, just to be in sport
Yeah,
mode, that's
okay.
what that would be for.
Okay. So it's automatically in the eye.
Yes,
Okay.
it automatically goes in the
Okay.
I. These right here are paddle shifters. So
Okay.
you have the option of driving the car in manual.
Okay.
So if you wanted to go first gear, second gear, third gear, that's how you would do it if you wanted to.
Okay.
Does anybody do that?
Yeah.
Some people say they do. I mean,
Okay.
I don't. That's yeah.
Yeah, no.
moving on to this side. So these right here are going to control your radio presets. So once you can set your radio up to 18 different presets. Okay, so once
Never
you
done
get
it in my life.
once you do that, this is how you'll. And then it also, if you are on Bluetooth and you listen to music on your phone,
Okay.
you can change your songs via this way.
Okay.
This is your volume for the car, up and down.
Okay.
Your source is what's gonna change between.
So it goes up and down.
Yes.
Okay, I see.
You can always adjust your volume this way too.
Okay, cool.
Your source button is gonna go between your FM, your AM, your XM, your
Okay.
CD player, your Bluetooth, everything like that.
Okay.
Okay. And
Your,
info?
your info button is going to change what you see up here. So if you go ahead and press the info button, go ahead again. It's going to just, different things are going to pop up. So if you keep hitting it, it's just whatever you'd like to see while you're
Oh,
driving.
okay, so it shows the gallons. It shows the time. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so it's just a preference on what you'd like to see.
Alright.
Right here is how you're going to answer your phone and hang up.
Okay.
And then you also have voice recognition. So that little speaking person,
Yeah.
if you hit that, it'll beep and you can say call so and so, and it'll instead of having to go through.
Okay, cool.
To preset any of your radios, you can go between FM, AM, and XM. It doesn't have to be any sort of one. You just press and hold, and that's it.
Okay.
That's how you would preset
Okay.
your radio. You do have XM for 3 months.
Okay, cool.
And then if you want to add to it, you can do that. For your windshield wiper, if you do want to use your back windshield wiper, you just pull down on that and it'll spray. And then if you want to just pull up and it'll start going.
Cool.
And then the front windshield wiper is all here, push down. For your lights, if you want to put them on auto, you just
Keep it on.
okay, and then if you push it forward, that's called your high beam assist. So if you leave that like that, if you're in a situation where you need your high beams, it'll automatically do it.
Okay.
But if you don't want that, you don't have to keep that forward.
Okay.
Down here, you do have heated seats
Got
for
that
both the
again.
driver and the passenger. I know
used to
everyone's
live
like,
here.
what
I
do
know.
we need those for?
I know. Okay.
Your AC,
That's all the same.
yeah.
Yep. Yep.
You do have, I don't know if you've heard of your Travel Link app. I do like to show this. This is going to show you all your gas stations that are nearby. It'll pop up the prices, how far they are. If you want to check weather in different areas, you can go ahead and that's how you would do that. And then if you follow sports or stocks, you can follow those as well.
Okay.
I know, there's a lot.
Yeah.
I know Howard said you've had Subarus before, so do you have the My Subaru and Subaru Starlink apps?
I have the Starlink. I don't know about that.
Did you lease this car or did you buy this car?
I do.
You leased it. Okay, so if you download the My Subaru app, onto your phone, you're going to get an email that's going to prompt you to set it up.
Okay.
And what that does is you can start your car from your house, adjust your temperature, and stuff like that.
Okay.
So if you wanted to do that. And then you do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
Okay.
You just have to make sure you plug it into your USBs,
Gotcha.
which are right there.
And you have one here as well inside.
You have the cigarette lighter one.
The cigarette lighter one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you have 2 down here as
Oh,
well as
2.
an outside.
Okay.
Very good.
Alright. Your media, again, right here. That's going to be, do you want me to set your phone up for you?
Sure. I'll pick you up on it. Yep.
Alright. So you'll just go into your Bluetooth.
So my Bluetooth setting. Bluetooth.
So you're going to look for Subaru BT to pop up. It should pop up down here. Okay, so you'll click that. And then allow. So now your phone is all set up. It takes a few minutes to load, but eventually your phone book will pop up, your favorites, everything like that.
Cool.
Would you like to add your phone as well?
Nah.
No? You're
Yeah.
okay? If you do want to add a phone at any point, you can just go to settings and then phone, and then you can add device.
Okay,
right
cool.
there.
Okay.
There are some buttons over there. I'm going to get out to show you what those buttons are.
Okay. You're an expert on Subarus.
I went to a 4-day training.
I did.
Okay, so right here, this is going to be your the brightness of the car, so like inside. So if you're driving at night, it's too bright or anything like that, that's how you can adjust that. That's your traction control, that's what's keeping your tires on the road, so you don't ever really have to turn that off.
Right.
And then this is your blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert. So these little black squares on your mirror on the inside, that's your blind spot detection. So if anyone's in your blind spot, these are gonna light up orange.
Okay.
And then the rear cross traffic alert, that's if you're going to back out, and let's say I was walking and you didn't see me, it's going to notify you that I'm behind you. If you ever wanted to turn that off, you just hit the button, and again, it'll light up orange right there. Okay. This is how you're going to adjust your mirrors, lock, unlock your windows, and then that's your child lock right there.
Okay.
Sweet.
This is off now. It's off, right? The
Yes,
child
yes,
lock?
it's correct.
Okay.
Okay, we're good.
I mean, it covered pretty much all like the basics in the
Can we
car.
go through how to do the oil change real quick?
What?
I was like,
What?
Huh?
I do have something for you though.
Or what do you have?
I do have a gas card for you.
Yay, a gas card, 25 bucks.
It's better than nothing, right?
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you.
And then I'll just need you to sign that I gave you your gas card that I went ahead and did.
Should we give you like a, yeah, but you can keep them.
Huh?
You can keep those gas cards and make a shitload of money.
No, they know every gas card I give out.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks.
I'll just need you to sign where it says Subaru customer.